Mazda has officially revealed the EZ-6 as part of this year's Beijing Motor Show. 2025 Mazda EZ-6 revealed to take on Tesla Model 3 in China. The EZ-6 is an electrified sedan offered by the Japanese carmaker's joint venture company, Changan Mazda. It will launch in China by the end of 2024, though it's unclear if it previews a global replacement for the Mazda 6. At this stage, Mazda hasn't detailed full technical specifications of either EZ-6 powertrain, though the BEV model has a claimed range of approximately 600 km, according to lenient CLTC standards, whereas the PHEV model is expected to travel over 1,000 km on a single tank of fuel. There's a faux grille up front with a litany of LED lighting elements, while the EZ-6 also has flush door handles, smooth body lines, a full-width tail light assembly, and an active rear spoiler. The Mazda EZ-6 measures in at 4,921 mm long, 1890 mm wide, and 1485 mm tall, which is 56 mm longer, 50 mm narrower, and 35 mm taller than the current Mazda 6 sedan. It appears the EZ-6 is a restyled version of the existing SL0 3 sedan from Changan's Deepal brand.